So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit video speed here in Alight Motion. So if I were to go ahead and play the video right here, it's regular speed. If you want to change the speed, you want to make it faster, maybe make it slower, select the video, then select the clock icon. And then once you have this bar opened up, you can go ahead and make it faster by sliding this bar to the left. As you can tell, my video has, gotten shorter. So if you can make it faster that way by doing that. If you want to make it slower, you can slide this bar to the left, more towards the turtle, and you can make it slower that way. So if you slide it to the right towards the rabbit, it's faster. You can slide it to the left. If you want to go ahead and make a custom amount, you can do above 1 for faster, below. So if you wanted to make this like 1.75 speed, you can go ahead and do that. You can play it, and it'll be whatever speed you've set it to. So that is how to edit the video speed in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.